Here we go again. Treacherous here. Yeah, I'd like to get on out there, but pretty rough going here. Oh, it's beautiful. Beautiful, this. Beautiful. I can't tell. Oh yeah, I am still recording. Yep. R&R Adventures. You never know what we're gonna do next. It's a good time out here. If you like our videos, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, share, comment. Let us know what you think. If you think they're a bunch of dumb videos, let us know. If you dislike them, dislike them. But give us some feedback. Just want to know what I can do to improve my videos. This is all new. Just kind of running with it. So we'll get back to you later. Got some bikers coming down. Having a good time. Morning. Morning. Oh, look at this. You gotta take a look over here. Check out that. Check that out. I don't see any moose. There might be some over there. But I'm a little upset. I did not bring my fishing pole. Well, I'll have to go to the sporting goods store today and see what I can find. I might have to do some fishing before the week's up. Alright, well, get back to you soon. Bye.